to our school. So we are going to start up the experimental setup. What we have collected from the river, different sources. We have collected the samples yesterday. So today we are going to start up the experimental setup. First, I am going to show you the materials required for this experiment. Actually, we are going to do 3 types of testing now. One, it is the salinity test, that is the specific gravity of each liquid, means the water sample, and we are going to see the temperature also. From each sample we are going to check out the temperature, and later we will find out whether any microplast or microfibers are there in these samples. So actually we have collected 3 types of samples. Already we have said with you, that is one is from the Ketur river, and one more from the Nandavara, that is Netravati river, that is sample 2, and the third sample is we have collected from the Tannirbavi ocean water it is. So I will show you, this is there are 3 samples you can see here. First one is the sample 1 from Ketur river it is. Second one is the sample 2, that is Nandavara sample 2. Third one is a sample 3, that is from the Tannirbavi ocean water it is. So these 3 are the samples. Now I have the distilled water because we need distilled water to sterilize the ion free. We have to do the ion free in each equipment. We have to get it ion free. So we are going to use the distilled water to clean it actually. Okay. So next we have this setup. This is actually what we are doing. We are going to find out the salinity test now. The specific gravity of each liquids we have to find out by using this setup. So I will show you what are the materials we have. This is a 250 ml jar, it is measuring jar. We are going to take full 250 ml of water, and we have the hydrometer for heavily liquid at 20 degrees Celsius they have given. So actually this is the readings are over here. So we are going to find out the specific gravity, that is a salinity test. So I will show you the procedure how we have to follow here. Next one, the setup is the waterproof thermometer. It is digital thermometer in both degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit also we can find out by using this one. Already we have done yesterday this one. The third setup, actually this is the main setup to find out the microfibers and plastic. So it is called as actually membrane filter setup. It is membrane filter holder. The name is like that. 250 ml it is. So we are we have got from the Ocean Guard. They have provided us this one. So this is a setup actually. This is a setup. So here we have to open this lid, and there will be a such a types of setups we can see. Actually here we have to place, here this is a type. So here we have to place the membrane filter. I will show you the membrane filter. See, this is a Whatman membrane filter. Actually this is using to filter this water, whether it is any microplastic or microfibers are there, means it is going to stuck over here in the filter. By using the microscope we are going to detect, identifying, we are observing whether any plastics or fibers are there or not. That I will show you later. Okay, this is the setup actually. Now we have the Petri dish. This is to wash up or to clean this membrane. We are using this Petri dish by adding distilled water to this one. So after using, we can reuse that filter paper. We can reuse by washing like this. So ion free we have to do by using the distilled water. So finally we have the compound microscope. We can use, already it is there in our school. So by using this one, we can detect. So we can place this after filtering. We can place that Whatman filter paper somewhere here. So and focusing by this one, we can find out the microplast or microfibers. Now I am going to show how we can do the salinity test. First test. So already we have completed the temperature test. Second one is the salinity test. Now we find out the salinity, or that is the specific gravity of this liquid by using the hydrometer. So we have to, this is the sample one I have taken from the Okettur river water it is. So I am going to pour this water to this jar, measuring jar. You have to make it till 250 ml, exact 250 ml. Yes, I have taken that much now. So we place these hydrometer like this without touching. If you are going to put it like this, so we can find out the readings. So you can take the readings how much it is. So now it is almost 0 now because there is no salinity test, it is a 0 now. So this is actually from the river water, so we got 0 it is. So the value is 0 now. So we check in another sample. Before checking, we have to clean this. So we have to clean this. Next sample 2 I am going to take, that is a Nandavara water. Take correctly 50 ml and I will check now. See, it is like floating. Now the exact measurement is also 0 degree. Sorry, it is 0 degree Celsius only. Correct it is. ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದು ನಾವೀಗ ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಸ್ಯಾಲಿನಿಟಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಗ ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಪ್ಪಿನ ಅಂಶ ಇದೆ ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು ನಾವೀಗ 250 ml ನೀರು ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಸ್ಯಾಲಿನಿಟಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಮೀಟರ್ ನಾವು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಈಗ 0 ರೀಡಿಂಗ್, 0ದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು. 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಉಪ್ಪಿನ ಅಂಶ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಲೆಕ್ಕ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತದೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಈಗ ನಾವು ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ 3ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡುವ ತಣ್ಣೀರು ಬಾವಿಯ ನೀರಿದು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೈ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ 3. ನೋಡ ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಇದನ್ನು ಹಾಕಲಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇದು ಸಮುದ್ರದ ನೀರು. ಈಗ ಸರಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಿ. ಚಬಾ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೈನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತುಂಟು? 3. 3ನೇ ಲೈನಿಗಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ಬಾ, ಸರಿ ಬಗ್ಗಿ ನೋಡು. ತಿರುಗಿಸು, ಬೇಕು ನಿನ್ನ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ತಿರುಗಿಸು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೈನು? 3. ಬಾ. ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಲೈನು? 3. ಈಗ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಲೈನ್ವರೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಹೌದಾ? ನೋಡುವ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡುವ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇದು ಸಮುದ್ರ ನೀರು, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಲೈನ್ಗಳಷ್ಟು ತೇಲಾಡ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. ಆದರೆ ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಲೆಕ್ಕ, ಈಗ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 3, ಹೌದು, ಅದರ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಮೀಟರ್ನ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 3 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್. ಆದರೆ ಇದು ನದಿ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮುದ್ರ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಲ್ವಾ? ಹೌದು. Yes. Now we are going to test the microplast and microfibers, whether it is present in these 3 samples. So this is a filter paper, Wattman filter. We are going to open it. Yes. See, this is a filter actually. Actually we have to take by using the 4 forceps. Okay. Yes. Now we have to insert it. You have to open the lid. This is a setup. Already I said setup is like this. Already I showed to you. The filter paper we have to keep like this. And we have to pour the sample water. Now I am going to take the first sample, that is from the Okettur river. Actually we have to create vacuum inside, so there will be the syringe, so we have to try it. Just try it. Don't fold it like this. Slowly. Complete, it should be dry then. All the water content should pass like this through that filter paper. I think it is completely dried now. Yes, good. So after this, if it is completely dried means we can open it without touching it. We have to use such a tools, because if anything it is there in my hand, it will going to stuck over there. So we have to keep under the microscope. So we have the microscope already. So we are going to set it under the microscope. Now we'll see whether we are find outing any fibers or plastic in this. Now I am going to open the lid, and very carefully we have to take out this filter paper. See, you have to remove it and just feel, see what we can see under the microscope. So we have to place like this. This we have to focus it. Yes, we can see the microplast, small microplast in black color we can see. Just have observed that one by one. It is black color, no? What is the color? Yeah, black colored one.